I hope you all are best and fine. And now we are going to discuss about our student, yesterday we already discussed that is only the reflection loss proof, you know very well. But we are taken that particularly whatever the pins at the P and Q in that our diagram, there is what we are taken. Yeah, we are taken our diagram, whatever we are taken yesterday, otherwise we are already discussed it, that is experimental also. And in this one, we are taken here, it is a normal, and our light ray of incidence we are taken like this, there is a P and as well as a Q we are taken, and when we are extended the normal like this, in an imaginary part, okay, now there is a P dash and Q dash will be get for us, but here we are taken whatever our P and Q pins are there at the same height only. Okay, clear or not all the students? Here we have P and Q are taken at the same height only. In case we are taken at a different heights, what is going on? Okay, otherwise very small pin only we are taken. What is going on? The reflection diagrams are also getting like this only. May not it is an incident ray, but our reflected rays are may not get like this here. Okay, now when it is possible, our reflection loss are possible for only the smooth reflecting surfaces only. For all not irregular reflection surfaces, it is only for regular reflection surfaces, which is like for a plane mirrors. One condition. The reflection loss conditions are what you know. Reflection phenomena is occur for only which surfaces? Plane surfaces only. Means what? The plane and regular surfaces for a smooth surfaces like our mirror. Okay, now it may not possible for us what? That is not possible for us irregular surfaces. Means what? There is a what? Like these surfaces are there now. Then it will be not possible. And as well as there is all the objects, whatever the light ray is coming from at the same height only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Light ray should not deviate at that time. Okay, once the light ray comes like this, it will be comes now. It is not given the what like this plane of incidence and plane of reflections. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is why only we are going to discuss now. There is a different objects. What is the image? How to draw the image diagrams for the different object formation of Yeah, there is the two things are given. One is a what? A point object. Which one is called a point object? Which one is called a point object? Yeah, very small object which is located on one particular point. That is only called a point object. Means what? In a one particular plane, there is a one small point. It will be, you know very well. What is the plane? The combination of the different points is only called the plane. You know very well in mathematics. Okay, clear or not all of you? Number of infinite points, infinite points space is only called the plane. Okay, clear or not all of you? Here, there is what we have to take here. One of the point object we are taken here. How to form the image? How the light rays are moved from that object? This is you take a mirror. Which mirror? Plane mirror you have take here. And here I am taken one point object to O. This is a become the what? Normal. This is the what actually? This is only the normal for our plane surface. This is a normal for our plane surface. Yes, clear or not all of you? Now there is a what we have considered. There is a two rays may consider from this object. Okay, clear or not all of you students? One is a light ray here. Another light ray also I am consider here. There is a for this light ray normal at where? Here. For this incidence point normal is this one. For this incidence point normal is this one. This is a normal one. This is a normal 2. We have to take as N1 and N2. Here, then what is the reflected ray? Then how do we consider the reflected ray? Just now the refraction, how where it is appear? Yeah, it is appear at where? Appear inside the mirror only it is appear. That's why there is a, in case imagine that the normal is extended here, the normal is extended inside the mirror. Okay, clear or not all of you? And now you are draw there is a one more point here with the same angle. With the same angle of this whatever the normality is there, with that angle only you have to draw one more imaginary part here. Clear or not all the students? And as well as with this one also you have to draw one more. Okay, clear or not all the students? Sorry. Yeah, there is a what will we get for us? There is an image is a get for us here. How will we get this image? Yeah, you know very well according to our reflection laws. There is a with that same angle you write one more reflection law. Reflection ray. This is the reflection ray. It is a one ray. Ray 1 it is. It is a ray 2 here. Ray 2 here. It is a what? Incident ray 1 here. It is the incident ray 2 here. It is a what? Reflected ray 1 here. It is a what? Reflected ray 2 here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now there is an image it is formed at where? In this portion is image is appear for us, but image is formed at where? In this particular this point only. Okay, clear or not all of you? Then how to we are estimated the images here? Tell me. How to we are drawn the image diagrams like this? Yeah, there is somewhat rules are there for the drawing the images. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a for either may for it is a plane mirror or may for it is a curved mirror, whatever the things, whatever the surface you have to take for the drawing the images, for the estimated the image position, for estimated the object position, you should compulsory follow some rules. What is the rules you know? There is a compulsory 2 rays you have to require. The rule 1 what you know here. Okay, clear or not all of you? What is the rule 1? Compulsory the 2 rays you have to take here. Diagrams. Okay, clear or not all of you students? There is you have to should take compulsory. Yes, 2 rays here. Okay now. And next one. What is that ray nature after the refraction? You estimated after refraction, Nature of ray, where it will be moves. Nature means what? Where it will be moves. It follows the reflection laws or not. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, in case it is irregular surface, there is no follows of our reflection laws. Now, it is follow the reflection laws or not. In case it is follow the reflection laws, it is a moves in a which way? Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes? Yeah, there is a third one. Third point. Yeah, you extended the trace. You extended the trace up to one is intersect with each other. Okay, clear or not all of you? Where the image position will be get for us? Whatever the two rays are coming from our object after the reflection, they should one is intersect with one another at a particular point. At that particular point only you get that image. Otherwise you not get any image in this particular portion. Actually the image is getting in this particular portion. No, the image is at where it is appear. The image is appear at this particular position inside the mirror only. Clear or not all the students? Yes, there is actually where is the reflected rays according to our reflection laws. The reflection plane, reflection ray plane is it here only. Okay, but image is formed here. No, image is appear at this particular distance. But image is formed at where? Image is formed at this particular point. How will we get it is, whatever the reflected rays are there, we extended back that things. Okay, clear or not all of you? We extended that back that these are the what? Reflected rays. These are the incident rays. Now, in case they are not a coincide with one another, you should compulsory go back side. Okay, clear or not all of you? Which back side you have to go? Okay, whatever the incident ray is there, that incident ray extended back like this. We are extended back like this. We are extended back like this. Where they are intersected, at that particular place only the image is formed. I hope you got it all the students. Yeah, this is only formation of our image and as well as for our constant object. I hope you got it. These all the rules. For the image formation purpose, the single ray is not enough. Compulsory what is required for us? Two rays are required. Whatever the two rays are there, okay, next point is what? Tracing the paths of the two rays after the reflection based on our reflection laws. Okay, clear or not all the students? Based on our reflection laws. You draw the normal. Whatever the incident angle is there, with the same angle, you are take a bouncing back ray. Okay, now in case that bouncing back rays are may intersected in this particular position, there is not a problem get for us. In case they are not intersected in this particular our reflected plane, yeah, you go back up to intersect with one another. Up to intersect with one another. Clear or not all the students? This is only the formation of images. And for our point object, the point object is nothing but what actually? Here the point object is nothing but it is a very small, it is not have any height. Okay, now height of object is a very small, it is a comparable to these light ray distances, it is a very small. That type of object is only called a point object. For a point object, which type of image is formed for here? Point image is only formed here. Clear or not all the students? Point image is only formed here. Got it or not? Yeah, there is the equal distances will be get for us. Okay, now there is the equal distances of the images and object will be get from our mirror. Yes, the next concept that is only the next concept of our this particular case 2 we have to take here. What is that? Case 2 we have to take here. What is the case 2? In case object is at a certain height. Okay, clear or not all the students? What we have to take here? object at a certain height here. What we have taken for object is a certain height. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is, let us assume that, yes, here there is a O dash is one of the, yes, point you have taken here. Okay, now what we have taken here? That it is a mirror. It is a mirror. In front of mirror, there is, we have take here not a O. Here O is nothing but point image, very small image. Here what we are taken? Here O is one of the, yes, position of that point. Object, it is another one. Suppose I am taken like this man here. Okay, clear or not all the students? In front of the mirror, I am taken a man like this here. Is a content how much height? O dash is the height for it. Okay, clear or not all of you? O dash is the height for this man. At that time, what is going on? How there is the image is formed of this man, where it will be formed the image of this man. How many rays we are required to find out the image position and image height and image distance. Here from the O we are from the point O dash you have to take 2 points. Okay, clear or not all of you? And from O you are taken another, yes, point here. Clear or not all the students? Got it or not all the students? Here you take here, there is a O dash and O here, and from the O dash you take, there is about 2 rays. One is like this. This is the one ray, and this is the another ray to the mirror. And as well as from the foot also you have to take here. This is the one ray, this is the another ray. Not only these 2 rays, the number of rays may be considered possible to here. Okay, now, but there is a whatever the incident rays are come from here, it will be taken like that. Whatever the incident rays are come from here, I am taken like this here. These all are incident rays. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now there is a whatever that you know very well, everywhere you have to draw the normal here. It is a normal for this incidence. It is a normal for this incidence. It is a normal for this incidence. Sorry. Yeah, it is become the somewhat whatever the normal for this incidence here, the normal for this incidence. Okay, like that we are taken the normals here. Understand all the students? And now there is this is become the reflected ray. This is become the reflected ray. This is become the reflected ray. This is become the reflected ray for it. Okay, here extended back is all the rays. Okay, clear or not all of you? Whatever the incident rays are there, you extended back all the rays. At that particular point, the image will be get for us. Okay, the image is also get for us. I and as well as the I dash image is a get for us. Okay, now in which manner will be get for us here? Okay, clear or not all of you? I and I dash will be get for us. That image is a get for us. I dash. Okay, for the what? Yes, I dash image is a get for us. O dash purpose. Okay, yes, how there is a trace we have to draw. Okay, you take there is a 4 rays now. For that 4 rays, you extended back all that other rays, you will get. Once again we are taken, there is a what is our, okay now, yes, light rays individually, there is a whatever the light rays are coming from our object. Here it is a O and as well as the O dash. Here there is a one of the incident ray, you take like this. Another incident ray is a take like this. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now from the O also you take a light this rays, and this is the one of the another our incident ray you have to take here. Okay, clear or not all the students? You take like this ray. Okay, and here this is the incident ray, this is the incident ray, this is the one incident ray, this is another incident ray. And everywhere you have draw the normal. Okay, clear or not all the students? Everywhere you draw the normal is like that here. Okay, clear or not all? Yes? Here, this is the normal for it, this is the normal for it, this is the normal for it. Okay, clear or not all of you? This may normal for it, and as well as this may normal for it. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah, now this is the reflected ray for this ray 4 here, ray 3 here, it is a ray 2 here, it is a ray 1 here. The ray 1 reflected ray is what? This one, you know very well. And when you extend it back, it may reaches to here. Okay, clear or not all of you? And this is the ray 1. And now there is a what is the reflected ray? Yes, it is made like this here. The ray 2 reflected ray it is. Yes, it is the incident ray. It is a reflected ray of 1. Okay, na? It is the incident ray of 1. Like that it will be get. And now there is a whatever this refraction. Okay, clear or not all of you? It may here we takes here like this it here. Understood not all the students? Now it is one of the point whatever that is what we have taken here O dash. It is the taken O dash here. And now I am taken the light ray. It is the incident ray and it is a normal we are consider now. This is a become what? A reflected ray. Like that there is a when you extend it back here. Okay now? Yes, like that it will be. And as well as when you take here, this is a extended ray for this reflected ray. Now there is a O will be get. For that I dash purpose, for O dash purpose, I dash is a point of intersection. For the O purpose, there is a I is a intersection point will be get. What is these rays? These all are extended rays back. Okay, clear or not all of you? Extended rays back for our reflected ray. This is one of the reflected ray. This is another reflected ray we are taken here. This is another reflected ray. This is another reflected ray. Got it or not? Yeah? There is a whatever the reflected angles are there here. Okay, that are should be intersect on one particular point. Where they are intersected? At this particular point they are intersected. At this particular position only the image is formed for the where? Formed for the our object O and O dash. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a what? This man may form like this here as an image. The object distance and image distance is the same and as well as the size is also not varied here. I hope you got it. This is only about what actually, this is only about our formation of image. Once I want to show you how it is. Okay, clear or not all the students? Just a minute. Yeah, check here students, there is a whatever our object, whatever our, there is taken the chalk piece. Okay, clear or not all students? Suppose I am taken, there is a point size thing only in this, otherwise on the board one stick it here. Okay, clear or not all students? Only the point size component I am taken here. This is the actually what is the chalk piece here. Okay, now when I am coming nearer to it, it will be also near. It will be go away from the surface. It is a go away or not? One shake it here. Regularly, daily we are observing these all the things, but whatever the rays are coming from this particular point, they are fall at where? There is only fall at here. Okay, clear or not all of you? Whatever this particular point things are there, suppose my finger is here. Okay, clear or not all of you? The finger may appear this particular point only. The finger is at middle, it is a middle only. Okay, clear or not all of you? How? Like this here. Suppose this is a chalk piece I am consider here. There is a whatever the chalk piece from the chalk piece, it will be the ray moves like that. And after that, it will be reflected like this here. Okay, now it is in front of mirror only appear or not? Yeah, in front of mirror only appear. Object at where? Object at where? Yeah, object is at here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Object at where? Object at here. But image is formed at where? Yeah, there is a one, check it out. Image is formed inside the mirror. It appear at where? Inside the mirror or in this particular plane only. Your object is only there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Object is only there. Otherwise, our class, our whatever our class mobile, it will be appear for you or not? Yeah, it is appear. In front of mirror, how much distance it is there? This much of distance is there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, suppose it is exactly, I am at where? I am behind the mirror. I am behind the mirror. Got it? This is the position of object, and there our position of image. Actually, it is a what? In this one, whatever appear, it is image. How it is possible? Yeah, first thing is you take from this chalk piece, you are taken one ray here, another ray here, one ray, the bottom from here, another ray. Like this they comes and they fall on the this mirror. Clear or not all the students? Actually, there is a rays are extended like this. Because of reflection is going on, they extended like this. But these are not provided any image here. Okay, why? Because the rays should be intersect on particular point. Okay, here there is these two rays are also. They reflected like this and they reflected like this. These two rays are compulsory intersect here. Okay, at that time only it is formed the images. That rules are should be compulsory. You have to know. There is a two rays are required for a observe the particular point as image, and the two rays should be reflected. The reflected ray may coincide at a particular point. At that particular point only the image is formed. Otherwise the images are not formed. Yes, in case there is intersection of the reflected rays not possible, images are not possible to form. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yeah, this is only the thing. Here once again, once check here the chalk piece image. Okay, now yes, there is about the light rays are come from where now? The light rays are come from chalk piece, and it is a fall at where? It is a fall on the mirror. The light ray again enter into which plane? Like that it will becomes. Okay, now from the mobile phone, the light ray is come to here, and it is returned back to the in this direction only. Now it is a normal. Okay, clear or not? Or along the normal, that's when it is appear like that. Okay, suppose like this here. I make somewhat angulized. Here there is a what I am taken here in this particular place. Somewhat it is appear at where the light ray it come from here and it is fall on it and return back like this here. Okay, clear or not all of you? What is the refraction is going on? The whatever the light ray is coming from mobile phone, it is fall on it. Again it is returned back towards you. Okay, now yes, this is only the going on due to the reflection. The same whatever it is. For in case it is a point object, the point image is formed with the same distance. Either it is in case you taken a heighted object based on the same height with the same distance, it will be appear for us. Okay, now the next concept is here characteristics of an image formed by a plane mirror. Yes, what is the nature of therefore as a image formed by our plane mirror? Very very important concept. That is only characteristics. Yeah, clear or not all the students? There is a what? When there is a size of image is equal to what? Size of object. Distance of image is equal to distance of, okay na? Yes? Distance of our object here. Okay, they both are same only. But one thing, when suppose it is our mirror. This is our mirror. This is suppose our object we are taken. And when our mirror is go away from, okay, object, what is going on? When otherwise our object is go away from the mirror, what is going on? At the both the time when you go away from the object, the mirror is go away from the object, or otherwise object is may go away from the object. There is a what is going on? Yeah, our object size is a decreases. Why it is a decreases? You know very well. There is a, this is the mirror when you take here. Yes, you know very well. There is a whatever our, yes, here how there is objects are formed, you know, like that it will be formed. Once again I will give that explanation for you. Suppose it is a mirror we are taken, okay na? Yes, and as well as there is a one man is like this here. One man is here. Okay, clear or not all of you? This is the man position I am taken here. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now the light rays are come from here, and one more light rays are, sorry, the light rays are fall on this particular place. Another light rays are fall on particular place. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, when there is it is a moves like this. Okay, clear or not all of you students? And here what is going on? Here there is this is the object position, this is the image position. Now this is the normal. You know very well. Just a minute, sorry. This is the mirror I am taken. There is a what I am taken. The object is like this particular. Okay, now there is a light ray that comes like this, and it is a what? It is a normal. It is a what? Reflected. Okay, clear or not all of you? I am not taken all the 4 rays, only just I am taken 2 rays. And one more ray is a come for us like this, and it is a fall on this. It is a incident ray, it is a become reflected ray. Clear or not all the students? Now there is a, you extended back here. Okay, now you extended back here like this. What is going on, you know? There is a image is a formed like this. This much of big. Then after there is a point image is a form. Okay, clear or not all of you? The rays are like this, it will be converged. Point image will be get for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, suppose you take here these intersection point. These rays are intersection at here. Different rays are getting for us now. At this particular point, the image is like this here. Okay, now already you discussed now. Okay, suppose I am taken, there is our duster here. Okay, clear or not all of you? When I am taken the duster here, okay, when it is a nearer, it will be become bigger or not? Okay, it is a bigger or not? Once check it here, it is a bigger or not? Yeah, it is somewhat a big. Okay, clear or not all of it? So look big. When it is a go away from it, the size is become small. The image size is become small or not? Now I am not changes the position of our whatever our mirror. Now once look at here, it will become what? It will become somewhat big or not? Okay, now when it is a go away, it is a very small or not? What is going on? Yeah, this diagram. Okay, once check it here. The man is this much of size, but when he is here, this much of big it will be there. When it will be here, it must have big. This much of small. When we go away from it, the point image will be good. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, these images are only will be good. There is a number of rays are come from this particular human being, and here there is a man, and it will be reflected like that only. The all reflection rays are coincide on this particular point. There is a very nearer to that mirror, it will become very big. Okay, clear or not all of you? Suppose once you consider our mobile screen, okay, it is a very near, this much of big it will be up here. When it is a go away from it, automatically what is going on? Yeah, it will become very small or not? Once check here, when it is coming nearer, it will become big now. Actually, what is the changes? The ray or one is coincide with another one in this manner. It is a decreasing its okay na? Yes, height or otherwise the size. Okay na? How it is? We are going to discuss tomorrow. Clear or not all of you? Why it is become big? Yeah, there is a whatever the light rays is a coincide on this particular position only. Okay, when you go away, the coincidence is the decreases here at this particular height in this manner, like this it here. Okay, whatever the reflected rays, in case it is in a particular position, this much of size. Here there is a what? Okay, now once check it here. Like this it is a reduces its size. In this particular, how much size is there? This much of size is there. Okay, clear or not all the students? And here in case you take here, mirror is at here now, this much of size, the mirror position is varied like this much of size. Okay, in this manner there is a size is decreases. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, and not only the mirror position, suppose the object is at here only. Object is before that there is a what? Object location is a fixed now. This mobile position is a fixed. Mirror is a going backward. Okay, now there is a ray capturing of the mirror is become small. Here object is a changes its position. For object position changes or mirror position changes, object size is a varied. Okay, object position is also varied. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Like that we are consider the sizes of object and as well as the sizes of images varied its a size and its a characteristics. Okay, now based on the position of object and position of the images also. Okay, now but how will we clarify by it? Yeah, by reflected loss only. By reflected loss you draw this. Okay, clear or not all of you? By reflected loss you draw these rays and you take an intersection point of the ray. Yes, that is only the size of image. That is only the size of image. Got it or not all the students? I hope you got it. Yes, this is only the information about today's class. And if possible, I will take a Monday class. Otherwise, you go through our only just a small component are not completed. The remaining is our yeah. I want to draw clearly once. Look at this mirror. Okay, clear or not all? And you take the light ray here, another light ray may here. You take one light ray here, another light ray may take here. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now there is a what? It is a normal. It is a normal. It is a normal for it. Okay, clear? It is a normal for it. Okay, now the light ray, it is a what? A reflected like this. It is a reflected like this. It is a reflected like this, it is a reflected like this, it is reflected like this, it is reflected, okay, now in this manner only. Clear or not all the students? Yes, it is a incident ray, it is a incident ray, it is a become the normal for it, it is a reflection. And here it will be extended back with all the things. Okay, now here it become the what? Head. And here when you take our reflected ray, for this ray it is taken like this, and as well as it is reflected ray like this it is. Now there is a image is formed in this manner. Got it or not? Okay, now yes, you take, there is a extended back. Okay, clear or not all of you? Not a 1 to 6 lessons. Okay, now there is a 1 to 5 lessons only, Nana. 1 to 5 only. The fourth lesson is not there in our syllabus. Fourth lesson is not there in our syllabus. The syllabus is removed. It is removed from the syllabus. Don't go with that fourth one. Just you go with the first, second, third, and this one. Yes, the lessons are, you know very well, force, friction, and as well as that our plastic and fibers, synthetic fibers, and with this reflection of light at a plane surfaces. Okay, now yeah, there is a fourth lesson is removed from it. It is now we are going with the which lesson? Fifth one or not? Sorry, sound. Yeah, that one also. Reflection at a curved surface. Okay, clear or not? First to 6 lessons, 5 lessons only. Third lesson, fourth lesson is not there. Sound is there, and as well as reflection of light up to till to date whatever completed. Okay, clear? It is online examination only this time also. Okay, now online only. Multiple choice questions. Biology is the 25 and physics is the 25. Biology is the 25 questions, physics is the 25 questions. Thank you students, bye, take care. For physics 25, for biology 25. Totally for science 50.